If you want to download Google SketchUp on your laptop, I'm going to show you the quickest way to get the full desktop version installed and ready to use. Now, just to be clear, SketchUp is officially part of Trimble, so when you download it, you'll usually sign in with a Trimble ID, not a Google account. If this tutorial helps you out, go ahead and hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss another easy software guide. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your web browser and go to the official SketchUp downloads page. This is the safest place to get the installer because you want to avoid third-party websites that may bundle unwanted software or outdated versions. Once the page loads, look for the SketchUp Pro download option, then choose the installer that matches your laptop's operating system. If you're on Windows, download the Windows version. If you're on a Mac, download the Mac OS version. After the download starts, wait for the installer file to finish saving to your computer. Depending on your browser, it may appear in the Downloads bar at the bottom or in your Downloads folder. The file will usually look something like SketchUp Pro 2026-x64.exe on Windows, or a similar installer file for Mac OS. Once it's finished, double-click the file to run the installer. If you're on Windows, you may see a security prompt asking if you want to allow the app to make changes to your device. Click Yes to continue. Then the SketchUp setup window will open. Follow the on-screen prompts carefully. You may be asked to accept the license agreement, choose an installation location, and confirm your preferences. In most cases, the default settings are fine, so you can keep clicking Next until you reach the Install button. Click Install and let the setup process complete. If you're using a Mac, the process is similar. Open the downloaded installer file, follow the setup steps, and drag SketchUp into your Applications folder if prompted. Then wait for the installation to finish before opening the app. Once SketchUp is installed, launch the program from your desktop, Start menu, Applications folder, or Launchpad depending on your device. The first time you open it, you'll be asked to sign in with your Trimble ID. If you already have one, enter your email and password. If you don't, you can create one during the sign-in process. This account is required to activate the software and access the trial. After signing in, you should see the option to Start Trial. Click that to begin the 7-day SketchUp Pro trial. This gives you access to the full desktop version, so you can explore the tools, create models, and test the software before deciding whether to subscribe. Keep in mind that once the 7-day trial ends, the desktop application will lock unless to purchase a paid subscription. So the full process is really simple. Go to the official SketchUp downloads page, download the installer for your laptop, run the setup file, complete the installation, sign in with your Trimble ID, and start the 7-day trial. That's it. You now have SketchUp installed on your laptop and ready to use. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment if you want more step-by-step software tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.